Hello YouTube, today we have the Trust 100 watt 2.1 speaker set for your PC. I used to have the Logitech Z533, but after almost 4 years they just went out one day, so I had to buy new ones. The round ones were 60 watts, this is 100 watts. From the top, as you can see, what's different with the speakers is that they have a fake wood finish on top, which makes it a little bit more different from the other ones, but you can buy it with the black finish as well as see or some other thing. Now this comes with a nice box. I'm going to turn the box around, and it says here it has a remote control, as you can see, echo mode and headphone connection if you're playing games and stuff like that. Now this is the top part of the box. It comes with a nice handle like this, two speakers, the bass box over here, and let's open this thing up because as I said it's a big so that's what's in the box. We have the two satellite speakers here and the subwoofer over here. Of course, a lot of cables. Let's take a look at one by one. This is the controller where you can adjust your volume setting on the top of your desk. Also it has here, you can put your headset over here and with a 3.5 millimeter cable, or you can connect this to a USB with an auxiliary connection here to a MP3 player. You can listen music to that. As a mistake I did in the beginning, you can also connect this apart from a PC to a tablet or even your TV. It comes with a small instruction booklet like this. This is the left speaker, I guess, the left satellite speaker. And the reason I understood is the left does not say left any place, but it has the white cable here, and the instruction says it's the left one anyway. As I said, they have a wooden finish, which is not actually wood. It's some sticker, I'm guessing, or something like that. On top of it, it's plastic, but it looks like it's wood, so it stands out. Now it also comes with, of course, the power cord and the other cables with which we can connect this to perhaps a TV set. And let's take a look at the subwoofer. Okay, so this is the side of the subwoofer where you have the control. You have the power button here. You have the eco mode. The eco mode, as it says here, reduces the output of the speakers and the subwoofer from 100 watts to 50 watts. And also, I don't know if I'm getting this right, it also puts this thing to sleep after 30 minutes of operation, so probably I'm not going to be using that much, but we'll see. And the output for the speakers is over here. If you want to put for some reason you have to connect your speakers, your headphones, you have an input here. Also, as I said, also for the volume and the bass, the volume of course you can control it through the remote volume rocker here, and that's it. One of the specs I will have to say is the fact that these things weigh at 4.6 kilos, I believe, the whole package. And the cables, the distance of the cables is 1.8 meters for the total level, the cable length from the subwoofer to your PC or to your TV or whatever, and the cable length for the satellites it's 1.8 meters. 1.75 meters is for the power output to the subwoofer. Now to the side there's also this hole for the air to exit, I'm guessing. The most important thing in this review will be the sound test. Let's go hook them up. And we're using the YouTube audio library, which has freeware music. I have the bass at almost 80%. The volume, the setting of the volume is almost at full, and the subwoofer, but as you can see here, it's almost minimal. We're in a small room now at around 40 square meters, so let's try some music. So it's quite loud in a small room, as you can see. don't know if you can see it, but it's almost a very small percentage. Let's put some rock music here. So I have it now at around 10%. It's rather adequate for a small room, and it does not make a big distortion. Of course, I have it in not in the eco mode, but in the 100 watts mode. So that's about the speakers and the 2.1 Trust Vigor sound system. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.